My name is Latanya Stamp, and the title of my festival song is My Jamaica, Land of Festival. Why you should vote for me is that my song speaks about the culture, the people, and everything that makes us Jamaican. So guess what? Get dialing and vote for me. We start with the reggae mouth, feel the beat in every corner of the street. It's a treat, festival vibe, we jump and sway. With road march tunes, we dance all day. This is the land of festivals, where the rhythm calls and the spirit enthralls. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica, my Jamaica. The land of festivals, festivals where the joy installs. From Negril to Kingston, the colors ignite. With every celebration, the future looks bright. Sunshine on our faces, smile so wide. Together in harmony, take us for a ride. This is the land of festivals, where the rhythm calls and the spirit enthralls. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica, my Jamaica. The land of festivals, festivals where the joy installs. Under the stars, we're gathering blue. Church chicken flavor, let the good vibes flow. Sipping on red stripe, with friends by my side. In this island paradise, joy we can't hide. This is the land of festivals, where the rhythm calls and the spirit enthralls. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica, my Jamaica. The land of festivals, festivals where the joy installs. Bossa move, feel the groove in all the stadium. We all improve through UCM, Bolt and Shellyan. Out of menu we are really one, and everything we achieve was through righteous rebellion. We culture, we vibe, Jamaica no problem, we nice. The land of festival, where the rhythm calls and the spirit enthralls. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica, my Jamaica.
Hello Jamaica, this is Abba Jones, and the title of my song is Teeth Afimi. You know why you should vote for Teeth Afimi? Because it is hilarious, it is factual, and it is part of our culture. My kind of ticklish, but it's true.
La da 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 do da 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 da. Here is a real story I bring to this festivity, and I want everybody to come and listen to me. Man from Kingston come to Obey, buck a young girl and him like how she stay. Her teeth kinda scatter and some out of place. Her body look good but not in her face. Man chatter out and take her to town and buy teeth, put in her mouth. But this is the rule, the young man said, if baby I love you today, though your mouth are for you, but your teeth are for me, girl. So if you ever cheat, you want to give me back me teeth. Your mouth have to give me back me teeth. Hey! Now look at how this woman ungrateful man gonna work. She invite her next bull. Long time we are till him answer 9 milk. But him love her so much him stick with her still. Him decide to come home early one evening. And what is her heart attack almost reach him. Seems she forget all the rules that he made. Is either she foolish or just playing brave. I say your mouth are for you, but your teeth are for me, girl. So if you ever cheat on me, you have to give me back me teeth. Me say your mouth are for you, bam bam, but them teeth are for me, girl. So if you ever cheat, you have to give me back me teeth. No one ever want you until I have you. No one ever see you until I saw you. Me nah fatten fold for mangoose. So if you ever diss those teeth, you will lose. It better you try to humble yourself and stop behaving like buckle on shelf. Any man who want smile and grin with you, tell him to buy new teeth and give you, cause your mouth are for you, mama. Them teeth are for me, girl. So if you ever cheat, you better give me back me teeth. Me say your mouth are for you, bam bam. Those teeth are for me, girl. So if you ever cheat, you better give me back me teeth. Your mouth are for you, mama. Them teeth are for me, girl. So if you ever cheat, you better give me back me teeth. You can call me, take it back. Your mouth are for you, mama. Your teeth are for me, girl. So if you ever cheat, you better give me back me teeth. I saw your mouth are for you. Put them teeth are for me, girl. If you ever cheat, you better give me back me teeth. Lord, I mean it. Your mouth are for you, bam bam. Them teeth are for me, girl. So if you ever cheat, you better give me back me teeth.
Greetings, Jamaica. My name is D Burns, and my song is entitled I Don't Know About You, But I Love Jamaica. And you have to vote for me because you love Jamaica, and my song is basically the second Jamaican national anthem. So vote for your anthem, I Love Jamaica. Big up on yourself. This song was actually written by me and 3 of my friends, and each of us put our little love for Jamaica in the song. So me talk about the breadfruit we roast for breakfast because that me like, and next man talk about the jerk chicken and festival because that him like, and man talk about the big sound we string up in the land because that him like. So this is a song that everybody can connect with and can profess their love for Jamaica through.
Jamaica, Jamaica, land we love. Well, I don't know about you, but I love Jamaica. Breadfruit and roast for breakfast, I love Jamaica. Big up me athlete, them yo, them fast, I love Jamaica. Me love it, me love me island breeze, fruit trees, yes, I love Jamaica. I love Jamaica. I love Jamaica. Jamaica. I love Jamaica. Alright then, come take a trip with me. And make we start the journey out a halfway tree. Done pa no proud and past ever knows. Visit the museum of Bob Marley. And then we swing back and go down a town. Make a stop a coronation and go buy a pound. Of the finest yellow yam, onion and scallion. The best things that come from the ground can be found in Jamaica. I don't know about you, but I love Jamaica. I love Jamaica. The nicest and the prettiest girl, them come from Jamaica. From Jamaica. No matter when me going at the world, yes, I love Jamaica. No matter where I go, me love me island breeze, fruit trees, yes, I love Jamaica. I love Jamaica. Jamaica, I love Jamaica. Sing with me now. Jamaica, I love Jamaica. I'm in Jamaica, where are you? UK, Canada, them place the cool for true. Me day in the hills, I enjoy the view. I play some domino with J-Ray and his nephew. Well, it's a fact, every time we step out, we make a impact. Before I say set around at them on the track, we set record, Chris Gale and Bunny Shaw, Sunshine Girls make me not left me hard. Because no matter what trials we face, we still find joy in this place. With every step we celebrate, Jamaica we not separate. No, I don't know about you, but I love Jamaica. Her chicken and festival, yes, I love Jamaica. Everybody Irie and article, yes, I love Jamaica. I love Jamaica. Me love me island breeze, fruit trees, yes, I love Jamaica. I don't know about you, but I love Jamaica. Oh, big sound string up in a lawn, yes, I love Jamaica. Play some reggae music and dance all, yes, I love Jamaica. Me love me island breeze, fruit trees, yes, I love Jamaica. I'm telling you that I don't know about you, but I love Jamaica. I'm telling you, say yo, I don't know about you, but I love Jamaica. Me love my country. I don't know about you, but I love Jamaica. Hey, I don't know about you, but I love Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica, land we love.
You just watched the Jamaica Festival Song Video Block 2026. 9 amazing songs. Have you spotted the winning song? I'm sure you did. Happy Independence 2026 Jamaica. Jamaica 64, united in celebrating resilience.
If you wish, my friend, you can live. You will be a happier one in the land of the rising sun. I said this is the land of my birth. I said this is the land of my birth. I said this is Jamaica, my Jamaica, the land of my birth. I said this is the land of my birth. I said this is the land of my birth. I said this is Jamaica.
Presenting the Jamaica Festival Song Video Block, the musical heartbeat of Jamaica's emancipation and independence celebrations. This is the JCDC Jamaica Festival Song Competition, providing the musical backdrop for our independence celebrations since 1966. 60 years long and still going strong. Always capturing the interest and the attention of a wide cross-section of Jamaicans at home and across the Jamaican diaspora. Come with us on the musical trek through the voices of 9 amazing finalists in the 2026 Jamaica Festival Song Competition. Their story is our story. Their songs are songs. This is Jamaica Festival Song Video Block 2026.
I am Solomon Walters, known as Brother C. The title of my song is Jamaican War, and I'm asking you all to vote for me. Jamaica War, it is a song in which you can't stop singing about, because Jamaica is land of paradise, and we are living in this country, and it has been a vibrant country.
Jamaica night, and we full of vibe. Jamaica sweet, nobody can compete. Make we have some fun, and the fun can turn. We having a party, a festival party, dancing and singing, and everybody feel irie, irie, irie. So wave the flag, hold up your hand, them. Wave the flag, hold up your hand, them. Wave the flag, hold up your hand, in Jamaica where we come from. Wave the flag, wind up your body. Wave proud nation in the Caribbean. Sometimes we facing crisis, but as a nation we're holding strong. Jamaica war, Jamaica war, Jamaica war, Jamaica where we come from. Jamaica smile, Jamaica smile, Jamaica smile, Jamaica where we come from. We are nicest people, and we want the whole world to know. Anyway, Jamaican gather, we always start off the show. So make we party, a festival party. Bring out the good vibes, make everybody feel irie, irie, irie. Make we party, festival party. Bring out the good vibes, make everybody feel nice. Jamaica war, Jamaica war, Jamaica war, Jamaica where we come from. Jamaica smile, Jamaica smile, Jamaica smile, Jamaica where we come from. So wave the flag, hold up your hand then. Wave the flag, hold up your hand then. Wave the flag, hold up your hand then. Jamaica where we come from. Wave the flag, wind up your body. Wave the flag, wind up your body. Wave the flag, Jamaica where we come from. We are proud nation in the Caribbean. Sometimes we facing crisis, but as a nation we're holding strong. Jamaica war, Jamaica war, Jamaica war, Jamaica where we come from. Jamaica smile, Jamaica smile, Jamaica smile, Jamaica where we come from. Jamaica war, Jamaica war, Jamaica war, Jamaica where we come from. Jamaica smile, Jamaica smile, Jamaica smile, Jamaica where we come from.
Hi, my name is Beverly Henry, and my song is entitled Jamaica Pon the Up. Why you should vote for me? My song encapsulates all about Jamaica, old-time Jamaica to current Jamaica. It speaks about our resilience and how we have weathered the many storms that have come our way. And with that, it also speaks to the young and the old in the digital age.
Jamaica, my homeland, black, gold, and green. We post the festival and the food on every screen. The national dish, ackee and sawfish. Festival queen looking real stylish. Red work and polish, shine all the greatness we accomplish. We accomplish. Remember the nice rundown. Pick me a play on the background. Hurricane Melissa come and gone. Government say more babies must born. Mango, apple, and trees have the some centigrade basket plant up. Me nice clean country, we still left on the map. Oh, me nice clean country, Jamaica on the up. Watch the youths them a dance. Runners on the track. Said them now look back. From the hills to the shore. Island vibes galore. Reggae music get bigger. Independent Jamaica. When remember the nights run down. Pick me up, play from the bar. Hurricane Melissa come and gone. Government say more babies must born. Mango, apple, all trees have blossom. Senti bread basket plant up. Me nice clean country, we still live on the map. Oh, me nice clean country, Jamaica on the app. Oh, me nice clean country, we still live on the map. Oh, me nice clean country, Jamaica on the app. Oh, me nice clean country, we still live on the map. Oh, me nice clean country, Jamaica on the app. On the app.
We're proud of Jamaica. Yeah, man, I don't know. It's your boy Elton Erlington, the singer of the song called Proud of Jamaica. Jamaica, I'm asking you to vote for me to be your next Festival Song Competition winner of 2026. This song was written by my friend Pelefire. Big up yourself, Pelefire. He knew I always wanted to enter the JCDC Festival Song Competition. So this year, he just called me and said, yo, Ellie, me have a song, you know. And I listened to the song connect with me, and I knew right there and then that I wanted to be the voice of this song, and this song should win the Festival Song Competition of 2026.
Oh yeah, Jamaica, you're nice. Hey, we're proud of Jamaica. We have a flag up high, black, green, and gold. Reach up to the sky. We're proud of Jamaica. Sing it loud and clear. From your barn, yeah, you know Jamaica #1 anywhere. Hey. From the hills of St. Anne to Kingston town, sweet reggae music around the sound. Sunshine bright on the ocean blue. There's no other place like yard for true. From country lane to the city light, we laugh and we live with all we might. No matter the struggle we face today, Jamaica spirit lead the way. We're proud of Jamaica. We have a flag up high, black, green, and gold. Reach up to the sky. We're proud of Jamaica. Sing it loud and clear. From your barn, yeah, you know Jamaica #1 anywhere. When the world see with them, know the name. Little island, but we big in fame. From the track to the stage worldwide, every Jamaican walk with pride. Storm come, but we never give up. Chang like a road, but the Yaki tree jump. Hand in hand, we stand as one. Shining bright like the sun. We're proud of Jamaica. We have a flag up high, black, green, and gold. Reach up to the sky. We're proud of Jamaica. Sing it loud and clear. From your barn, yeah, you know Jamaica #1 anywhere. Hey, Jamaica, Jamaica. Proud to be a Jamaica. Push up your hand in the air if you love Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Proud to be a Jamaica. Put up your flag in the air if you love Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Proud to be a Jamaica. Put up your hand in the air if you love Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Proud to be a Jamaica. Push up your hand in the air if you love Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Proud to be a Jamaica. Push up your hand in the air if you love Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Proud to be a Jamaica. I said this is the land of my birth. I said this is the land of my birth. I said this is the land of my birth. I
Jamaica, it's your girl Tristar, and I sing the song I Am Jamaican. I think you should vote for me because I am Jamaican. I am the definition of festival. I wrote the song I Am Jamaican because it expresses the resilience of the Jamaican people. It expresses the fact that whenever you fall down, we always get back up. It shows our strength, it shows our passion, it expresses the fact that we stand out whenever we go out in the world. Everyone knows about Jamaicans. From you look at it, you can tell so we are at it. When the reggae music hit, you don't stop. When the reggae music hit, you just rock. Wave your flag, raise your hand if you're proud to be called Jamaican. Let me see you wave your flag. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. From when me young and I growing at the countryside, me embrace the country life. When the gas done now, we know see a cola buy. We chill by the fireside. I know respect for when me grew up on a land, yeah, me know say Jamaica deserve the hype. When time me stop and think about Jamaica land, it always brings a smile. I am Jamaican, from my born which is running on my blood and my heart full of love. I am Jamaican, me destined for greatness, just ask God above. I am Jamaican, never giving up, never winning up, I feel live it up. I am Jamaican, I am Jamaican. Even without no bird paper, Jamaica print on my chest, black, gold and green with the 2.7 mil acre. Jamaica, Jamaica, now we no nice like yard. We lick up but we tell her what we lead. We no follow her to be Jamaican. Me tell her it's an honor. We rise up stronger when time we fall. You running out with blood, Jamaica think tall. I am Jamaican, from me born which is running on my blood and my heart full of love. I am Jamaican, me destined for greatness, just ask God above. I am Jamaican, never giving up, never winning up, I feel live it up. I am Jamaican, I am Jamaican. The seeds of the culture print by you. Hear the reggae music I call you. Never giving up, I feel live it up. Jamaican, seeds of the culture print by you. Hear the reggae music I call you. Never giving up, I feel live it up. You can't beat Jamaicans, me warn you. I am Jamaican, from my born which is running on my blood and my heart full of love. I am Jamaican, me destined for greatness, just ask God above. I am Jamaican, never giving up, never winning up, I feel live it up. I am Jamaican, yeah, I am Jamaican. From a little and I grow in the country, me can't tell us I'm a grow up in a luxury. You ever look on the riches of the land, from a Nova straight to Portland. Sweet me when me tell you about my culture, sweet me when me tell you about my culture. Love me a can, love me dashing. If I'm not shelling then I bolt on the scene. I am Jamaican, from my born which is running on my blood and my heart full of love. I am Jamaican, me destined for greatness, just ask God above. I am Jamaican, never giving up, never winning up, I feel live it up. I am Jamaican, yeah, I am Jamaican. The seeds of the culture print by you. Hear the reggae music I call you. Never giving up, I feel live it up. You can't beat Jamaicans, me warn you. Wave your flag, raise your hand if you're proud to be called Jamaicans. Let me see you wave your flag, raise your hand if you're proud to be called Jamaicans.
Hey everyone, this is Ovando Levy. My song, Jamaica School, Bingiling. Why should you vote for me? I am a true patriarch of Jamaica. I represent the brand well. If you're looking for a song that is both old school and new gen, this is the right song for you. Vote for this song and allow this song to be the song for 2026. This song is an extension of my classroom. I'm a teacher of music. I would usually do this in the classroom, perform in front of my students. But then I said to myself, why not share it to the world? Give them a little bit of who I am and what I do for a living. And then I shared it with my family. They gave me the okay, and we put the script together as a group, and we said we're gonna go and represent Jamaica.
Lingy-lingy-ling, it's time for class. Learn about this pearl, America, Canada, England, and the rest of the world. Welcome to the course 876. Nice and cool. If you love the culture, come along and take a seat. As a yard man born and bred, I'll make sure you stay ahead. You love the music, food and vibe, but there's more that make Jamaica nice. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, to Jamaica, to Jamaica school. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, no missy class, board the plane fast. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, to Jamaica school. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, class is in session. Open your book, grab a pen, listen to the utterance. Jamaica is a land of innovation. The first railway in the western region, and the oldest high school in the Caribbean. You didn't know say our land of Winter Olympians. Such audacity, where them get that from? Where we love it, we and make fashion. So everything we do, we are champions. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, to Jamaica school. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, no missy class, board the plane fast. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, to Jamaica school. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, class is in session. First underwater telegraph cable, and you wouldn't believe if I never told you. 1866 was the year we shine, when we export banana for the first time. Here's a fact and you can share it publicly. We're among the first to have electricity, pioneers in Caribbean independence. 64 years of resilience. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, to Jamaica school. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, no missy class, board the plane fast. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, to Jamaica school. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, come class, wave your hand and say I love Jamaica. I love Jamaica. Wave your hand and say I love Jamaica. I love Jamaica. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, to Jamaica school. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, no missy class, board the plane fast. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, to Jamaica school. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, no missy class, board the plane fast. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, to Jamaica school. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, no missy class, board the plane fast. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, to Jamaica school. Bingy-ling, bingy-ling-ling, class dismissed.
Hey, my people, it's a girl, Lady Jazz, and the reason me know you should have voted for me, and me think you should have voted for me, is because me know my song bad, and I'm not gonna love my song, because my song I talk about all about Jamaica. Jamaica for we island.
And Lady Jazz, you know? All true Jamaicans from all around, spread the love with a country or town. Nice song ya sweet, don't ya nice song ya sweet. Nice song ya sweet, don't ya nice song ya sweet. Nice song ya sweet, don't ya nice song ya sweet. Nice song ya sweet, don't ya nice. Jamaica a we island. They have a new plan, love your brother work together as one. Come make we join on, Jamaica a we island. From we a eat, nothing else can wrong. Jamaica a we island. Every woman, every man live and love, we are one. Don't ya nice, don't ya sweet, from the beach to the street. Not to mention the fruits and the food we a eat. Jamaica land no other can compete. We little but we tell her what we born unique. Don't ya nice, don't ya sweet, other country a seed. Eat where we grow, we a grow where we eat. And eat make we bring the fastest athlete. Be proud of your culture, we rich and you see it. See we island. They have a new plan, love your brother work together as one. Come make we join on, Jamaica a we island. From we a eat, nothing else can wrong. Jamaica a we island. Every woman, every man live and love, we are one. Be proud, say your black stand out in a crowd. True born Jamaican, shout it out loud. Have life so we good, nothing sad, not allowed. Good music a play, look is a crowd. Everybody happy from papi go to baby and happy from bus go to cabby, from doctor to squaddy. Farmer to coffee, from starfish to ackee. Jamaica a with the whole world a copy. See we island. We have a new plan of your brother work together as one. Come make we join on. Jamaica a fi we island. From we a eat nothing else can wrong. Jamaica a fi we island. Every woman, every man live and love we are one. Whether black or white, we are unite. No time fi waste, post or fight. Every man have a light if we make it shine bright. Hope one another and make things right. Don't ya nice, don't ya sweet. We a dance to the beat. Drink we a eat, I and we feed. Snap we a tweet of the world like you see. Jamaica of the world that we feed. See we island. Me have a new plan. Love your brother work together as one. Unite, you know. For make we shine on. Jamaica of the we island. From we a eat nothing else can wrong. Jamaica a fi we island. Every woman, every man live and love we are one. Jamaica a fi we island. Me have a new plan. Love your brother work together as one. No corruption. Go make we join on. Jamaica a fi we island. From we a eat nothing else can wrong. Jamaica a fi we island. Every woman, every man live and love we are one.